Ever wished you could see exactly what your Nikon D3500 sees, live, right on your phone screen? Today, we're unlocking that power. This tutorial will guide you through using your smartphone as an external display for your Nikon D3500, making framing, vlogging, and shooting from tricky angles incredibly easy. First, let's ensure your Nikon D3500 is ready. Navigate to the camera's menu. You'll want to find the network or connect settings on your smartphone. Download and install the official Nikon SnapBridge app. This is the key to bridging your camera and phone. Open SnapBridge on your phone. The app will guide you through pairing your camera. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both your phone and your D3500. On your D3500, initiate the Wi-Fi connection. This might involve selecting a connection mode within the camera's menu. Follow the prompts in the SnapBridge app to finalize the connection. Once paired, you'll see an option to connect to camera or remote photography. Tap this option, and voila! Your smartphone screen now mirrors your Nikon D3500's viewfinder. This is perfect for getting those low-angle shots without lying on the ground, or for perfectly framing yourself if you're vlogging. You can even control your camera directly from the SnapBridge app. Adjust settings, change your focus, and even press the shutter button remotely. With this simple setup, your Nikon D3500 becomes even more versatile. Happy shooting!